Hello everyone, myself Mr. P.V. Ekhande, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering at Waljan Institute of Technology, Solapur. So today we'll see the questions related to projections of lines. At the end of this session, students will be able to draw the projections of lines when certain details and or part of the projection of the endpoints of a line is given, means certain details and part of the projection of endpoints or certain details or part of the projection of endpoints will be given to us, given to you. We'll consider this example in which the question is given as draw a projections of line AB if its true length is 70 mm, true inclination with HP into bracket HRP is 30 degrees and apparent inclination with VP into bracket FRP is 50 degrees and endpoint A is 10 millimeter away from both the reference plane. It is given as end A is 10 millimeter from both reference planes. Okay, so if we go through the details or the data given in the example, it can be written in this form, or here prior to that I will just go through the example again. Draw a projections or complete the projections. That is the question. Line is AB, its true length is 70 mm, true inclination with HP into bracket HRP. HP and HRP is one and one same. HP means horizontal plane, HRP is horizontal reference plane, is 30 degrees and apparent inclination with VP into bracket FRP is 50. Means here again VP is nothing but called as a vertical plane. It is one and same like say FRP. FRP is frontal reference plane and the another name is vertical plane, is 50 degrees. End A is 10 millimeter from both the reference plane. Means end A of the line AB is 10 millimeter above HRP and 10 millimeter in front of FRP. So this will write in the compiled form over here. So line name is AB, true length is 70 mm, true inclination with HRP which is given to us, that is theta is equal to 30 degrees. Now here I would like to tell you one more thing. Theta is true inclination or the true angle of the line with HRP and alpha is the apparent angle or the apparent inclination of line with HRP. After that what is given? Apparent inclination with FRP is given, that is a beta is equal to 50 degrees. Here again apparent angle is indicated as a beta and true angle is indicated as a phi with FRP and end A is 10 millimeter above HRP, 10 millimeter in front of FRP. Now we'll see how to solve this question. See here, first step is to draw the XY line. First step is to draw the XY line. I will complete that XY line over here. Now for XY line, the another name which is given is FH line also, which is to be completed as a dark line. Remember that XY line is always to be completed as a dark line and this is indicated as XY line also, correct? Now the point A which is given as 10 millimeter above HRP, 10 in front of FRP, for that we'll complete that point with respect to XY line somewhere here and that point is given at 10 millimeter distance, correct? So front view point has to be written as AF. Front view is AF and top view point is AH. Now as per the given data, theta is given as 30 degrees which is a true angle made by the line with FRP. So it's a true inclination made by the line with HRP. So it is angle made by the line with HRP, true angle, which will get on this top side. So that will get on the top side. So first step is to complete the horizontal line and with respect to that we will have the drawing of 30 degrees angle line. So here first step is to complete this horizontal line which is parallel to XY line and with respect to this now we'll complete the 30 degrees angle line. So 30 degrees angle line is to be completed first. So this line is related to true length. So this line is related to true length. So we'll call that as a true length line. We'll call that as a true length line on which we can mark the true distance 70 mm. We'll have the marking of the 70 millimeter distance because on the true length line we can mark the true angle. So here we'll mark the true length on this true angle line. So how much is the angle given? 30 degrees. Which is this angle? Theta angle. So that we have completed as a true length line. On that I have marked this point which is to be denoted as B dash F. Why not we call that as a BF? We cannot call because this is a point which is related to true length. This is not related to the projection of the line as a front view. So that's why we'll call this as a B dash F. All the problems which we are seeing, which we are going to study, is related to the oblique line where its projection is a line obtained inclined to XY line. So that's why here this line is the true length line. This is not the actual position. This is the shifted or the position obtained on this true length line. Now this true length line also we can make as a dark, like say front view line or top view line. So that will complete later on. Before that we'll complete the line parallel in the top view from this AH. So this is a line on which we'll get the position of B dash H. On the projector of this B dash F we'll get the position of B dash H. Now why we are getting the position of this as a B dash H over here? Because you know that this line AF B dash F is in the true length. So this line is equal to 70 mm, which is the true length of the line. So this is the true length of the line, and this line which shows the true length has got the parallelity in the adjacent view. So that concept is already known to us. When the line is parallel in one of the view, it will indicate the true length in the adjacent view. Or in the other way, when the true length line is available in one view, other will indicate its parallelity in the adjacent view. So B dash F, which is projected over here, that gives the B dash H. So this is the point obtained on the line parallel drawn from this AH. Now what is the length obtained over here? So it's a top view length. So this length is a top view length of the line. So this top view length now we can mark on the line which indicates the beta angle. So this is an apparent inclination. So this inclination is an apparent inclination of line with FRP. So this is to be completed in the top view side, which is related to top view, and the angle given is 50 degrees. So we'll complete this angle over here on which we can complete the top view line. So this is an apparent angle which I have completed at 50 degrees. So this 50 degrees angle is which angle? It's a beta angle. It is not the phi angle. It is not the true angle. It's a apparent angle which is related to top view. So this is a line which is related to top view. So top view line on which you can get the position of BH, and for that purpose we are going to rotate this point. We'll mark the distance equal to AH B dash H on this top view length line. Means we are rotating this BH point, B dash H point, by keeping H as a fixed one, and that will give us the position of the line called as AHBH. Now see, here the length over here is 60. Now I will mark that 60 millimeter distance over here. Means what I am doing, I am rotating this point, that is a BH, and we are getting the intersection over here, and this intersection obtained is the point called as BH, and the length AHBH is a top view length. Now the length AHBH is a top view length and it's a top view of the line. Now what is this? It's a top view of the line. So this completes the projection in the top view. We want to complete the projection means we must complete the front view also, and for that purpose the next step which has to be followed is drawing the locus through this B dash F. We'll have the drawing of this locus. So this line is a locus of B end of the line. So this is locus of B end of the line, and on this locus, now when I have the projection from this BH, it will intersect, and the intersection point is, so this intersection point is BF. The intersection point is BF. Okay, so BH I am taking in the upward direction, so its projection is taken in the upward direction, which has got the intersection to this, and the line connecting these two, the line connecting this AF and BF is now front view of the line. That completes the projections. So this is front view of the line, correct, and this one is a top view of the line. Now here remember that we are going to complete the XY line as a dark line, top view line which is a projection part as a dark line, the front view line as a projection again, that is a dark line, and true length line, that is again a dark line. We are not completing other lines as a dark line because those are the construction lines. So this is all regarding completing the projections when the line is given with certain details and the position of the end.